What is going on, everybody? Today we are going to unbox a knife I'm very excited about. It is the Microtech Combat Troodon with Hellhound blade. I've been looking for one for a long time. I see them pop up in black. I don't want black. Everyone's got black. I wanted something different. You also see them come up with the standard blade. I want the Hellhound blade. So here I got one today in red. So let's take a close-up of it. So here we go, the Combat Troodon Hellhound Blade Signature Series Red Stonewash Standard. Very, very cool, typical Microtech packaging. Yeah, typical Microtech insert. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what we're looking for right there. Ooh yeah. Yes, sirree. Oof. That's a big boy. Oof. Oh, yeah. Love the Hellhound blade. That is just so cool. That is a big knife, boy, let me tell you. Whew. She's stiff, too. She's going to take some breaking in, I think. Whew. Yeah, she is stiff. Oof. Barely any movement, just a tad bit up and down, no side to side at all. She probably part of the reason why she's so stiff, but yeah, that's a big boy there. Very nice, very minimal branding. I do like that on some of the signature series like this one here. Just got the logo there, just got their signature over here, and just, you know, you can kind of see the numbers, the serial number and stuff. Very, very cool, very smooth. Just a quick little comparison. Here's the Ultratech, the next biggest one in the lineup, and boy, let me tell you, what a difference. Might not seem like too much of a difference, but she's a bigger boy all the way around. And that blade, I love that blade. Just screams crazy. It really does. Boy, she's stiff. She fires like crazy too. Not too bad. It's just pulling it back in. Just comes out fine, but pulling that trigger back just takes a little bit. It's a strong spring for sure. Tucked away nice in there. Yeah. I'm not the hugest fan of their glass breakers, but it's fairly clean. It's a little cleaner than the Ultratech, which has this tab. It doesn't have the tab. They got rid of the tab on this. So, because this is a signature series too. But yeah, that's very nice, pretty clean. And yeah, that's just a big boy there. Yeah, very, very cool. Yeah, that's very, very nice. And once we get done reviewing it, then we will have to compare it obviously to the Guardian Tactical. Yeah, this is gonna be a great comparison right here between these two absolute beasts of OTFs. So that's gonna be very, very interesting. So oof, yeah, that's gonna be very nice. So we'll get this one broken in, and hopefully she breaks in good, and we'll compare the two. So that's all for today, guys. That is the new Microtech Combat Troodon with Hellhound blade. Alright, guys, we will catch you next time. Have a great day.